Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. We are in downtown Kato, Paphos, and we're going to take you for a little walk with us. But before we do, let me introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world who's found herself a new gumbaru. Basilica, Labu.
Hello everybody! How nice to see you again and again.
And again. Now stick with us. We're going to go for a little walk around the Kato Paphos area. Let's see what Basilica, Labu, that's her, has got to say.
I've got to say, by the way, that the sea and sun are singing together today. They are in a very, very good harmony, and they are not producing, none of them producing the humidity.
There we go.
Mr. David.
That was a bit of a weather forecast, shipping forecast in the later version. So, what should we do, Basilica?
You know, Mr. Paul, I would like to say that I'm very hungry. And when I'm very hungry, guess what? I'm very angry.
So, do you want to get a pair of sunglasses or something like that?
Unfortunately, I can't eat sunglasses. First,
Right,
we'll have
okay.
some lunch, and then later sunglasses.
So you want to go for lunch?
Yes.
So where do you want to go for lunch?
Let's go and visit our friend Panayotis in Basilica. Should we?
Right, okay, so that's where we'll go. Stick with us. We'll take you across the Kato Paphos Promenade, and that's the ideal snack bar over there, but we're not going to go there. We're going to go up this little side track, down the side of the Athos Diamond Shop, which is that shop over there. So we'd like you to come with us, and we're going to end up round the back, across to the Paphos Antonio supermarket, and well, we're going to take you into the Basilica restaurant. We got a gumbaru in there, the restaurant manager. His name is Paniotis, and they normally have great cuisine. And it's like a buffet style. So we're going to try and film it as we stack our plates as high as we can. And then you never know, you might even get to watch us eat our lunch.
And of course, it's very interesting to give to the people an idea what sort of food they are cooking. Of course, day by day, it's every day different buffet. Sometimes it's not on the buffet style, by the way.
Sometimes it's like an a la carte menu.
Yeah,
but today I think it's a buffet. So we're going to go into the hotel, well, into the restaurant or hotel, if you understand me. We might take you for a little glimpse of the swimming pool, because it is a very nice swimming pool. And we'll give you a bearing as to where it is. It's in the street behind the promenade, or as we call it, the back streets, because some of it is a little bit good and some of it's a little bit dilapidated, as we say. But as we come round this corner now, right in front of us on the left-hand side is the Paphos Antonio downtown Kato Paphos supermarket. And across the road to that, guess what? There's a few shops, but they're all part of the Basilica Leptos Holiday Resort. Now, it's an apartment complex, so it's an apartment hotel. Some people own apartments in there, some people rent apartments in there, and of course, Leptos Group own many apartments in there, and then they rent those out to tourists. And you can come there on a package holiday for breakfast included or all inclusive. And the food and the way they treat you in there is very good indeed. And we understand, even as we speak, we have actually a subscriber in there, Debbie and her son Dylan. They are in there. We came in for lunch the other day and we didn't bump into them, but you never know. Today could be our lucky day. Basilica?
You know, I would like to say that if you are short of time, if you want to see what you're gonna eat, then come here to Basilica.
Yeah, it's a great place to go for breakfast. You can go there for lunch, and you can go there for evening meal. Often they have Greek music at night, and if you do follow the channel, you'll understand they do a very good barbecue, and they feed us on the street. They love us that much. And there's a sign here telling you that outside guests are welcome. There it is. So outside guests are welcome for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Just so that you know exactly where we are. That's it. The Leptos Basilica Holiday Resort. And that's the main alleyway down the side. And there's people enjoying their lunch. Now we're going to pop into the main restaurant area and show you some of the food that's going down there, and then we'll pop out and have a look at the swimming pool as well. So stick with us. Here we go. This is the main restaurant area. It's an eating area there. There's the man himself, Mr. Paniotis. And there is the salad bar. And there's the food. Have a look at that. Now, as you may be able to hear, there's a little bit of something playing in the background, so we have to keep moving quite quickly, shall we say. But there's all sorts of food going on, and it looks very, very nice indeed. In fact, I'm going to have some of that. So stick with us. Let's get you out to the pool and show you the beauty, spectacality of this rather nice resort. Because if you're looking for somewhere that's at a sensible price in downtown Kato Paphos, this could be the hotel for you. And if you fancy a game of pool, Mr. JJ Mack, that's where you'd go. Yes. And as you can see, the managers, the staff all know us here, and they welcome us as we come in. This is the outside seating area, and that is the great swimming pool area. And when Leptos build a resort, they do build it with a little bit of panache, and they make it that little bit special. And the pool areas are always truly spectacular. And the umbrellas are not just umbrellas, they are works of art. Have a look at that. And there's the pool area. There's a lot of people in there having a lot of fun, relaxing, chilling out, and lapping up. I'm getting confused with my English between rapping and raping. Lapping up those golden rays that are coming off the sun, and it's a great place to be. So this is in downtown Kato Paphos, just 2 streets back from the main promenade area, and that's a little pool where you can go and twinkle your toes. Are you going to twinkle your toes, Christina?
Yes, of course. Let me take off the clothes and later.
Now, the views may go up if you take off the clothes.
They say no diving here.
They say no diving in there because it's a little bit shallow. Bit of a kiddies pool, or a bit of a foot twinkling pool, shall we say.
No, I'm afraid the view's going to go down if I take off my clothes.
Well, I think there's many subscribers who would disagree with that. Right, stick with us. Here we go. You've got a children's play area, by the way. There's a few bits and bobs going on there. A nice bench area. There's a bar that's actually closed down at the moment, but at the peak of season, it was open because we saw it. You've got plenty of car parking, underground carping, and of course it's a big apartment complex, and it's 2-storey, and on the ones on the top are the penthouses. Most of those have been sold privately, but they have a great view indeed. You've got a laundrette going on, so when you pop out you've got all the amenities that are at home. And as you work your way through some of the little nooks and crannies, you've got changing rooms to my left, and of course just over here you've got the gymnasium. And it's quite a well-stocked gym indeed, to be honest. So if you like a bit of workout, this is the place that possibly you could come. And over there is the main reception area. We know the ladies in there. This is the gym. And to be honest, it's not a bad little gym. Gracilia Booth, can you find something? Oh, some of Gracilia's favourite things.
Those things are for Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yes, that's more, shall we say, Arnold Schwarzenegger orientated, as are these over here. Perhaps you should try one of these, Gracilia Booth. Oh, maybe not. They're quite heavy. There we go. She's going to go onto a bike. On you go, Gracilia Booth.
Why didn't I know to come here every day?
That's it. Off you go. Let's see if we can get a rear end view, shall we? Because that's what it's all about. That's it. Keep pedaling like crazy. There we go.
You know, they say to me, if it was a heart shape, they say to me that your heart is very weak. Be careful. Yes. Designed for Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Right. Stick with us. There's something playing in the background, so we're going to exit the building. Main reception area just over there. That's it. Very nice place indeed. Stick with us. We'll have a little wander through. I don't think anyone's going to stop us. You've got a nice TV on the wall. Main reception. Very nice lady indeed. So that's where you book yourself in. And when you want to eat or drink, this is where you go. And to give you a bearing again, right across the road to it is the Papa Antonio downtown Kato Paphos supermarket. Great supermarket, and if you're in this area, well, it's the only supermarket, so luckily it's very good. There it is, right across the road. So to refresh your memory as to where we actually are, that is the Leptos Basilica Holiday Resort, and there is the sign. Let's have a look and see what Miss Ochin Gracilia Booth has got to say.
I would suggest you all to come here and try at least once, because it's the place where you can relax in the pool. It's a place where you can get fed by Mr. Panayotis and the best cooks, and it's a place where you can see what you're gonna eat. So the food, it's obvious on your eye. I wish you could be here with us. Now we are going, because we are starving to death, we are going to go and have a lunch. I wish you all the best lunches in the world. Enjoy your lunches and dinners. We're loving you to this. And thank you for watching, of course. Don't come don't forget, don't forget to come and see another of our lovely madnesses, Mr. Richie.
As usual, a little bit of English confusion there. And for me, she's stealing mine and she's losing her. But between the two of us, somehow we get by. This is a great place and we come here definitely once a week, if not twice. This is our second time this week. And just in case you are misunderstanding, we pay every time you come. We're not into a free lunch and we're not into free drinks. They treat us very, very well, and they've also got great smiles, and they welcomed us in back in the early days. So we return that favour by coming here and promoting them, because it's a great place. So you don't have to stay here. If you want breakfast, lunch or evening meal, or that barbecue on a Thursday night, pop down here. Greek music, all this is lit up with lights, and it's a great, great place to come. All that's left for me to say now is thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe. Please come back for a little bit more of our madness. There she is. Thanks for watching. And she's off. That's it. She's hungry.